Donning and Removing PPEs by Ria and Steffi. The goal of this video is to help people know the correct order of putting on and removing personal protective equipment.
To start off, have all the materials with you presently before you start so you are prepared and ready. The materials you need are the gown, a mask, and gloves. The very first step of putting on the PPE is to get the gown and let it drop from its unfolded position. Put the gown on first, covering your torso from your neck to your knees. Next, tie the strings behind your neck first. Make sure the ties are in bows instead of knots, so it is easier to remove later. Then, wrap the gown behind you completely and make sure no clothing is exposed from behind. Then, get the strings and tie them behind your back second. Next, get the mask and secure the elastic bands behind the ears. Fix the flexible band to the bridge of the nose and make sure it fits snug to your face, nose, and chin. Then get the gloves and put them on. Make sure to take off any jewelry since it could rip or tear the gloves when putting them on. Make sure they are over your hands and over the cuffs when you're done putting them on. Now we will go over how to remove the PPE. All of the equipments are now contaminated. First, remove the gloves. On one hand, pinch the palm area to lift the glove with the opposite hand and peel it off. Place it in the other contaminated hand so your other hand is free. To remove the other glove, take your index finger and slide it under the glove and on the cuff since this area is not contaminated, and peel the glove off over the first glove. Dispose the gloves in a proper disposable place. The second thing to come off is the gown. Untie the bow at the back first. Be careful to only touch the strings and not any outside part of the gown. Now untie the strings on the base of the neck. Hold on to the strings behind the neck and pull them away from your body. Since the inside part of the gown is not contaminated, take your right hand and go to the opposite arm and push the gown off from the inside. Do the same with the opposite arm, only touching the inside as well. Now hold the gown away from your body and roll it into a bundle. And discard it into a disposable place. The last thing to come off is the mask. To remove the mask, remove the elastic bands from behind the ears and do not touch the mask since it is contaminated. Dispose it into a proper disposable place. After everything has been removed, wash your hands or sanitize your hands.
Refer to the CDC website if any further questions.